Hello and welcome to another review of a new ICO. This is ZEUS AI, AIZEUS actually. It is basically a blockchain that you can do almost anything on it. So what is ZEUS platform? It's a blockchain built for needs of apps with millions of users and their needs, alright? So you can basically pretty much do anything on it, from AI data solutions to e-commerce, finance, lending, crypto markets. Features of ZEUS solution is it's accurate. You can have control of the data and models. It's trustable. It's scalable, which is great. And like I said, you can make all these on ZEUS, like e-commerce, like Amazon, Telegram kind of app, YouTube, Netflix, Binance, Bittrex, and all these things, alright? So it's all up to developers, to the decentralized apps. Whatever they can do on this platform. I know there are other platforms too, but I think whichever can have a head start, whichever can go have some adoption, they will get better. So why people should use ZEUS? Because of its speed, of course. Look, okay, this is just comparison with ZEUS, blockchains, online banks, and traditional banks. We know blockchains are faster than banks. ZEUS is faster. And the AIZEUS, artificial intelligence, AI, ZEUS, artificial intelligence will help developing apps and their workspace work better, seamlessly. And look at that. The confirmation time is a lot faster. Look at Ethereum, it's 68 seconds. Bitcoin Cash, 300 seconds. It's minutes. But ZEUS is just half of a second fast. It's lightning fast, really. And let's check transaction rate capacity. It can do 200,000 transactions per second, comparing to Ethereum's 20 transactions per second. It's insane. It's how many times more? You do the calculation, all right? It's so much more. And the cost is very little. The other old blockchains have lots of fees. The new ones are trying to solve it, and they are solving it. And ZEUS is one of them. It's just a very minimal cost for transaction. It also allows custom tokens like Ethereum. It means that, for example, Ethereum can have ERC20 tokens on it, so you can make ICOs on it. I believe ZEUS will be one of those, because it has custom tokens. You can create chains on it. And yeah, that's basically it. And let's look at other app. This is what I'm going to show you. Token summary. If you want to go participate in their ICO, it's online now. Look, 3 days left for pre-sale round 1. It has 30% of bonus, which is good. So totally it starts on September 17th and ends November 30th. This is all stages. The first one will be over in October 8th. They all have a 1 Ether cap, minimum cap. I don't think there's a maximum. You can check that. And public sale, the crowd sale has just 0.1 Ether. And what do you get with it? 1 Ethereum, 1 Ether makes 5,000 AIZEUS, their token, ZEUS coin. And there will be 1 billion of those, total of the tokens, total supply. And of course, these doesn't really matter. What's their hard cap? That's the thing. Soft cap is 5 million, hard cap is 30 million. I don't want to give an advice or say something, but you can think about it. If they need 30 million, or if they can get 30 million, or what do you think about their potential? For example, if their market cap can be 90 million, let's say, it makes 3x and 3 times more value. It can go lower as well. It can be 15 million. So when you get 1 Ethereum, it becomes, I mean, you do the maths. Always think about the future. Do you think this project will go somewhere if they can succeed it? There are some signs of it. Let's look at this. Partnerships and their coins are locked for 18 months. And team has 15% of it, coins, and it's locked for 24 months. So this tells me that they're going to develop this for 2 years, for 2 full years. So they can't just run away with the money. I mean, something like this happened before, but and look, they can't use their tokens before 2 years. But they're going to use, of course, some Ether for development. And it's written here. For platform development, they're going to use 42% of it. And hopefully they will succeed it. Let's check their roadmap. What's going on? What's going to happen? Let me say that this. They have a major exchange listing thing, 6%. So when are they going to do this? Okay, we are in 2018 Q3 here. They're going to give you ERC20 if you participate their ICO, and that's it. But they're going to have a mainnet because they are a blockchain, right? They're building a blockchain. When they do this in 2019 Q2, they're going to swap the tokens and have their tokens listed on an exchange. So before this, they're not gonna list their token as it seems. But because it's an ERC20 token before, I believe we can always buy or sell these tokens on IDEX or any decentralized Ethereum exchange. This is the good thing. Even if they don't list it anywhere, we can exchange it. But if you are a long-time investor, you should think that you may have at least 6 months for mainnet release. Then they will have mainnet release core 2.0. Then they will create a marketplace platform, lending platform, cloud storage platform. So they will show what can be done with this. And I hope they will succeed. So this is the AIZEUS platform, AIZEUS. Check their website if you like, and see you in another video. Cheers.